Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve math Olympiad geometric challenge, and here we have a nice square ABCD in which we inscribed a rectangle which is GEF and P. So first of all, you remember one thing is that this figure is not 100% true to the scale, because here we have drawing error in which this side is smaller than this side, but in a rectangle we know that the opposite sides are same, so please ignore this error. And now we move toward the to find the area of region 1. So here our question is that we will find the area of this region R1. So here our region R1 be the will be looks like an rectangle. So you know about the area of rectangle formula. So area of rectangle equals to length time of width. We know that the formula of area of rectangle is length time of width. So now we find the length and width of this rectangle, and we move towards the area of rectangle. So in the figure you see here, we have the length of AE and ED are same. In this figure these two lengths are equal. So now if we suppose that the length of AE is A and the length of ED is also A, because these two lengths are same, and ADCB is a right triangle. So you know that the total length AD is equals to 2A. If we just solve this one here, you see that the length of AE equals to A and the length of ED is also A. So our total length AD, this A to D length, is equals to length of AE plus length of ED. So we get the length of ED equals to A plus A equals to 2 times of A. So we have this total length equals to 2A, and because this is the square, so if this length is 2A, so it means that this length is also 2A. And now in the next step we will just draw a perpendicular from side AD to point F. So in this way, so here we just draw this. This is a perpendicular line from the side AD to the point F, and you know that this is perpendicular line, so it will makes this angle is 90, and you know that all the angles of right triangle, all the angles of square are 90 degrees. So this angle will also be a 90 degree. And now here we use the concept of complementary angles. So you know about the complementary angles. Two angles are complementary if they add up to 90 degree. It means that the angles which is added to 90 degree is called the complementary angle. So now here we suppose that this angle is beta and this angle is alpha. So alpha and beta are the complementary angles. And now we just here, if you see in this triangle, so in this triangle we have this angle is 90 degree, and now we it means that the other two angles are the complementary angles. So the angle complementary to alpha is beta, so we write this angle is beta and we take this angle is alpha. So here alpha and beta are the two complementary angles. So now if you focus on both triangles AEG and the other triangle is now we will just named this point as H. If you focus on two triangles, here I can write in triangle AGE, and the other triangle is HEG. EF. So here we see that in diagram these two triangles, this one and this one, these two triangles are similar triangles. So if these triangles are similar, so we write it as delta of AGE is similar to the triangle HEF. So here we use the angle or angle theorem. So according to this theorem, triple angle theorem, so here you very well know about uh, triple angle theorem. It means that the ratio of if two triangles are similar, then we just say that the ratio between the sides of these two triangles are equal in length. So that because here these two triangles are similar, so we will just write here the equal ratios of the sides. So now first we take the side ratio of this triangle, and here we have 7 over a, because we have 7 is the hypotenuse, and we choose two opposite sides, we choose the ratio of two opposite sides. So here we choose 7 over a, and in this case if this length is 2a, so this line is parallel to DC, so it means that this length is also 2a. So now we choose here, first we write the ratio of this triangle, and it is 7 over a. So here we write 7 over a equals to, now we choose the ratio of these two opposite sides. So here the one opposite side is HF and the other opposite side is EF. So we will just write here EF over HF. So in the left hand side we have 7 over a equals to the length of EF is unknown. Here you see that the length of EF is unknown, we can't find, or here we first find the length of EF over the length of HF is 2a, and here you see that this a and a are gone, and this implies that the length of EF equals to 2 times of 7, and so 2 times of 7 equals to 14. So this is the length of EF. So here we write the length of EF will be, so this is the E and F, so this length will be 14. And because in this question we need to find the area of rectangle, so in this rectangle we have the length of this rectangle is 7 and the width of this rectangle is 14. So now we move towards to find the area of rectangle. So here we have area of rectangle equals to length time of width. So here our length is 7 times of width is 14, so 7 times of 14 will be equals to 98 square units. So this is the our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.